Morning students, today we will discuss about exercise 1.4. Question number 1, Radhika embroiders a sari in 5.5 days. How many days will be it take for our embroidery for such a 4 sarees? Firstly, Radhika embroideries one sari is equal to 5.5 days. Similarly for 4 sarees, जब आपके पास कोई क्वांटिटी क्या होती है, इंक्रीज होती है, इस केस में आपने क्या करना होता है, मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. सो 5.5 मल्टीप्लाई 4 days, 5 2 जा 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 2 multiply 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 11 2 जा 22 days. Next question number 2, a cyclist cover a distance of 3 by 4 kilometer in a day. How much distance will be covered in 1 by 7 days? In a one day, he covered 4 kilometer. In 5:1 by 7 days, he covered 15 3 by 4 multiply 5 1 by 7 किलोमीटर. अब आपने क्या करना है, जो आपके पास ये मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है, आपने इन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को क्या करना है, सोल्व करना है. सो 15 4 जा 60, 60 plus 3 63 डिवाइड बाय 4 मल्टीप्लाई 5 7 जा 35, 35 and 1 36, 36 by 7, 7 1 जा 7, 7 9 जा 63, 4 1 जा 4, 4 9 जा 36, 9 9 जा 81. So answer is 81 kilometer. Next question number 3. In a factory, 3 by 8 of our workers are female. If there are 600 workers in all, then find the number of female workers. So question number 3. In a factory, 3 by 8 worker female, 3 by 8 worker female, total worker 600. Clear? Firstly, find the number of female workers. So 3 by 8 of 600 is female. So 3 by 8 of means multiply 600. Cut 4 2 4 जा 8 3 0 0. Similarly 4 1 जा 4, 4 7 जा 28, 4 5 जा 20. Means number of women worker is 225. So number of male workers, number of male workers number of male workers 600 minus 225, 10 5 5 9 9 minus 2 7 and 5 minus 2 3, 375 number of male workers. Next question number 4. A train at a uniform speed cover a distance of 240 km in 2.5 hours. Find the speed of the train and also find the distance traveled by the train in 6 hours. firstly find the speed of the train. So distance is equal to 240 kilometers. Time 2.5 hours. Formula for speed, speed is equal to distance upon time. Clear? Speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is 240 kilometer and time is 2.5 hours. Clear? It means 240 किलोमीटर अपॉन फ्रैक्शन सोल्व किया आपने 5/2 आवर्स. 240 अपॉन 5 मल्टीप्लाई 2. 5 बन जा 5, 5 4 जा 5, 8 जा. So multiply by 2, 96. So speed is 96 kilometer per hour. So kilometer per hour speed. Now second is then find the distance traveled by train in a 6 hours. Distance travel in a 6 hours. So speed is given. Speed is equal to distance upon time. When speed is 96 kilometer per hour and find distance and time is given 6 hours. Time is 6 hours. So 96 kilometer per hour multiply 6 hour is equal to distance. It means 96 multiply 6 kilometer is equal to distance. 6 6 is 36, 6 3 carry, 9 6 is 54, 54 and 3 57. So 576 kilometer is equal to आपका distance आएगा. Distance travel in a 6 hours. Next question number 5. The product of two rational number is -18/75 if one of the rational number is -9/25. चार ही करें.
चलो अच्छी बनी होगी.